Welcome guys to another video. This is David Pino. They also call me Tips with Dave, and honestly on this video I want to have a little bit of a tutorial which I haven't done in a long time, so most probably this will give you guys the value that you see obviously for YouTube and other things. Now I have around almost 200 videos on YouTube, so that's a bit. And there is the tool TubeBuddy, which I want to suggest to you guys. There's an affiliate program as such, but I don't have it. I use the tool as it is because honestly, in my opinion, it's one of the best tools for YouTube creators that is out there. Okay, it allows you for a few things to obviously go and explore. So you have tag explore, which basically gives you, for example, even if I just start YouTube just to show you, it'll give you guys the actual numbers of the tags, and whether it's a good search volume is high, competition is high. So you need to figure out exactly how you want to word it, whether you would like to have it as a long tail keyword or a short keyword. Now a long tail keyword would basically be something like how to use YouTube for business. Okay, this would be more a longish kind of a keyword because it's more focused businesses in the US, for example. Okay, this would be a more specific because you're saying business in the US, how to use YouTube. So it's a specific kind of long term which has YouTube in it, so it's good, etc. So it gives you the average search volume and whether it's good or not. Okay, that's one of the tools that I really love. The second thing that you can see right here is that they have a lot of links and analytics. You can go directly and stuff like that, but I want to go to my dashboard and I want to show you specifically in this video what are the main things that you need for every single video. So you've done a video, you posted it on YouTube, and now you're figuring out, hey, what do I do with my video? So let's go to my video manager. Okay, and I'm going to show you this. When you upload a video on YouTube itself, okay, there's going to be a few things that are going to occur. Okay, and it'll give you, this is the beauty of it, really. It will give you a checklist. Okay, so let's look at this, for example, right? Or let's look at this here. Let's look at this Bitcoin mining with Swissquote Global. Okay, if you want to know what Swissquote Global is about, link is in the description, as I always do have it in the description. Okay, so this is my video. It's a very short video in terms of my introduction, what I want to say, the things I want to give out to the audience, and everything else. Now, what are the main things that you need to get done? A thumbnail is important. So this is the thumbnail right here that I have so that they can see and I get attracted as something very unique to myself. Okay, then is the title, the description, the tags, which are for the SEO. So this is all on-page optimization that you're going to be doing. Okay, now there are a few things that I haven't done. Okay, so this is why I want to show you. Okay, so you have all of these things right here, and if you've not done it, they're going to tell you. Okay, so I want to show you another option right here. I'm going to take this video link. Okay, I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to click here. So these are the main things that you need to get done for your video. In general, if you're missing out on anything, it'll come out here because it'll show in best practices. So as you finish with the best practice, then it'll go away from here. For example, sorry, I almost unmuted myself. I muted myself for a second, guys. There, sorry. So let's pause this video for a sec. Okay, and I want to show you very, very clearly. Just give it a second as it loads. Okay, let's refresh this page. This TubeBuddy basically goes on the internet, figures things out exactly what it is for that video, okay, and then helps analyze everything, give the updates and stuff like that. So for example, I'm on my video and you can see there are 55 views, what is the percentage, average, stuff like that. And if I go down, you see here the best practices. So I've not done a few things. Okay, so I've not commented and pinned my post. So this is something I would do after I have posted my video. So I'm like, I can just copy something that I have right here, which is this, which is what I want to just write because it's something about Swissquote Global. So I'll put it down there. Okay, and then I can put it as a pin, and there we have it. I just did one of the tasks. How simple is that, right? How simple is that? So this got done. Info cards added, liked on Facebook, comment hearted. But these are the main things: high resolution, captions added, and stuff like that. Now, if you want to know where the captions are added, these are the best practices that you have. So these, if you've not done anything, if it's a completely new video, then on this section right here, you get to see exactly what you need to do. Now, for example, I need to put info cards. So I'm gonna go to, I'm gonna click on, I'm gonna open this in a new tab, or maybe let's click it on new tab and open it here. Same video, right? We're editing the same video. Let's add a card, okay? Now I know more or less at 540 is where I wanted to add a card, so I'm going to click add, and I want a video. So I'm going to take a video. I'm going to look for another daily vlog in which I'm talking about mining, and I'm talking about Swiss Gold Global as well. I would like people to see my blog, so I send them there. Now this, at this point, I'm going to show you, will pop out basically, okay, in a few seconds when it reaches 542 as far as I can see here. Okay, when people are watching this video, it'll open up and show that they can be redirected to another place basically, which is what my tab is all about. You can see suggested video, so somebody might click on it, watch the video, etc., which is why it's a useful thing to have. Now I did that, it's saved. Let's refresh this page. Okay, I want you guys to see that once it's really simple, but once you start doing these practices often enough and you have all the tags in place, you have the same, like simple things, right? You put the thumbnail, you have the title, you have the description, you have the tags, and the tags will help you in TubeBuddy also to manage, like, for example, if you don't know or you see related tabs here, tags here, you can actually put them in the description of this video in the tag section. You see? Now I need to add an end screen. Great. So I can do that as well. But these are the main practices to follow, okay? And this is how you can use TubeBuddy to find out and optimize. Like I said, if you want to see one of the practices that you can see here, okay, is that captions added. Now you can see it's yes here, but there are no captions here. If I click on subtitles, people are going to see right here what I'm saying. Now, these are the this is not 100% correct, these captions right here, because they're automated by YouTube software, which doesn't always recognize. Now you can go ahead and actually make the subtitles yourself and add them. But if I go to subtitles of this video, I want to show you guys very clearly how it'll look for me. Okay, specifically, it will show that it is automatically added. Okay, so it says which language in the video, etc., etc. But in general, you saw that it was written automatically added. Okay, so TubeBuddy, this is how you can find out how to optimize your YouTube videos for yourself. I just wanted to give you guys an example, show you a little bit more about my channel, how are things. And if you do like the content that you're getting on this channel, hit the subscribe button below. I love to have my new subscribers. I'm very engaging. I've always replied to them. And you can see, for example, here, Wendy Wong, who I've replied to multiple times within seconds, because I like to be engaging with my community. Okay, so hit the subscribe button if you do, and the bell notification, which you will find right here, guys. As you can see, sorry, let's open. Bell notification once you subscribe to anybody's channel. So let's show you how it will look. Okay, so if I go to Rob Fraser and to show you a little bit of how it looks with a video of his. But as you can see, subscribe, bell notification button right here. Click on the bell notification button, and you will be able to get updates on each and every video that I put out, which is quite a lot. So that's what I'm doing. Hopefully this YouTube tutorial was useful for you, and you can share it with people who also you think it's valuable, and to use TubeBuddy. How would you get TubeBuddy is basically an extension, guys. So you can go to the Google Chrome store and just add it there as an extension, okay? Or you can go to TubeBuddy.com. I will leave a link in the description to TubeBuddy so that you can check it out and you can figure out exactly how these help you stay above the rest. Honestly, it really helps you stay above the rest. Okay, you can even have a video plan if you want. And the other thing that I would say is very closely, if you do want to know more about how I do these things or how I run my business online, the link is in the description. It's called The Pro System. Okay, have a great day and have a nice week. My name is David Pinto. I'm going to see you on the next video.